Welcome to Exploring Gas Processing and LNG Technologies. In this podcast, we focus on the technology driving the gas and LNG industry forward. We'll discuss innovations that improve efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Join us as we explore the latest in energy technology with insights from industry experts. Now, here's this week's episode.
Welcome, everyone. My name is Mike Rhodes. I'm the managing editor for Gas Processing and LNG, and welcome to our podcast series, Exploring Gas Processing and LNG Technology. We're very excited today to be joined by Sue Ooi, the Global Industry Growth Programs Leader with Emerson. Emerson is a global technology and software company that provides innovative solutions for the world's essential industries. Through its leading automation portfolio, including its majority stake in AspenTech. Sue, thank you so much for joining us.
Mike, thank you for having me. Like what you say, Emerson's industry-leading portfolio enables us to identify and confront the challenges of an increasing complex and unpredictable marketplace from a position of strength, driving near and long-term value as a trusted partner for our customers. Our focus on sustainability and boundless automation embraces the full potential of digital transformation and new technologies with a fresh automation architecture. We are a global automation technology and software leader with extensive experience in LNG applications.
That's great. Sue, I know our audience is interested in your background, your experience. Will you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. I am a second-generation Malaysian with over 20 years of experience in the Asia-Pacific region and the last 14 years in Houston, Texas. Currently at Emerson, I work at the enterprise level, focusing on researching growth opportunities and defining solutions to help customers address challenges in industries and energy transition and metals and mining globally.
Okay. Maybe tell us a little bit about project pursuits with Emerson and maybe a little bit more about your Asia experience.
Yeah. I spent 10 years in Malaysia pursuing projects, and that was about the time that Malaysia was executing LNG Tiga, which is the liquefaction terminal projects in Bintulu, Sarawak. Interestingly, I was the project manager for implementing our instrumentation and metering systems for Emerson even back then. The plant started operations in 2003, had fantastic fond memories, was very excited to be part of the industry back then and even now. For sure.
Yeah, that's great. Let's just jump right into it. Can you comment on the extent that you're seeing to which digitalization has boosted efficiencies in the LNG industry?
Yeah, for sure. Digitalization has significantly boosted efficiency within the LNG industry across the various aspects of its operation. To give you a couple of examples, first, improved decision-making by being able to aggregate and contextualize vast amounts of data and combine them with advanced analytics. Operators can make informed decisions to optimize operations, increase efficiencies, and profitability. Second, operation excellence. Everybody wants to do more with less. And advanced analytics and predictive modeling enable better planning with advanced control systems and automation, streamline processes, improve safety, and optimize energy consumption, leading to increased efficiency and productivity.
Can you talk a little bit for our audience, about Emerson's approach?
Within Emerson and AspenTech, there is a full stack of solutions like AspenTech Emerson, which helps to aggregate and contextualize diverse data that we just talked about. This enables us to provide real-time insight, or Emerson Predict Pro, which is an advanced process control software that's fully embedded in Emerson's Delta V control system. Operators can add those tools to their existing operations, or even better, consider them as part of a new facility during the design phase. This is our Born Digital concept. Finally, I would like to use my consumer hat and talk about customer experience. Because digitalization enables better customer engagement and experience by providing transparent and efficient communication channels. This is making life a lot better for all of us.
You talked about Born Digital concept. Can you elaborate on that a little bit?
Absolutely. Born Digital is a strategy for the entire life cycle of your facility. As the name suggests, this strategy digitalizes facilities from start, ensures flexible operations and enterprise connectivity, and to make data available for aggregation and analysis, making a future-proof facility. Emerson's digital solution transforms operations from siloed processes that increases costs and errors to a digital plan that improves performance and profitability.
The industry's been talking about digitalization for some time now. Have you seen significant advances or surprises in this area in recent years, or is it evolving as you expected?
Yeah, like what you just said, that it has been discussed for some time now, but recently we've seen a notable acceleration in adoption, especially because there are recent technologies and solutions tailored specifically to its needs. And factors such as increasing competition, cost pressures, and the need for operational efficiency have driven companies to prioritize digital initiatives more aggressively than before. The other thing is companies are increasingly leveraging digital technology to gain competitive edge, improve operation efficiency, and address the evolving market demands. However, challenges such as data security, interoperability, and workforce readiness remain important consideration as the industry continues its digital transformation journey.
Yeah, you mentioned sustainability, and of course that's super important across all industries, and especially at Emerson. I'm curious about, can you elaborate a little bit on what Emerson is doing related to sustainability?
Yeah, one of my favorite topics, so happy to talk about this. Environmental sustainability is a business imperative for Emerson and our value chain partners. Emerson uses a framework that groups our environmental sustainability effort in three broad pillars. So I'll start by talking about greening of Emerson. This is how we improve our internal environmental sustainability performance. Here we have been doing a lot. To name a few, we've reduced Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions intensity by 52% since 2021 and have procured, can you imagine, 49% of the electricity used by Emerson location from renewable sources. That is huge, right? Surpassed energy intensity reduction target ahead of our 2030 goals with a 41% reduction since 2018.
Wow.
We've also maintained an A score from the Carbon Disclosure Project, which is pretty exciting, right? The second category is greening by Emerson. This is how we support and enable our customers decarbonize and maintain the environmental sustainability effort. We continue to invest in technologies, solutions, and expertise to support customer in energy transition. Greening with Emerson is the way that we foster relationship among stakeholders. We recently became the Terawatt partner at Greentown Labs, which is the largest climate tech incubator in North America. We have globally actively participated in numerous hydrogen associations. Our 2023 sustainability report was recently released, and it is indeed a very interesting read. So I'd like to encourage you, Mike, to download it from our website and have a go at it. It is However, quite a number of pages.
We use it a lot in our research, and I would encourage our audience to also download that as well. I really like those three pillars: the greening of Emerson, the greening by Emerson, and greening with Emerson. Those are great. LNG operators are under a lot of pressure to provide a rapidly growing market, and they're tasked with meeting lofty production goals and sustainability requirements to win in this challenging environment while also maintaining their sustainability goals. What technologies do operators need to leverage to optimize across the full life cycle of their LNG facility?
This is an interesting question because it's not just one technology. We already mentioned some of them, like digital twin, advanced process control, and data management systems, but there are some more. For example, Internet of Things sensors installed throughout the LNG facilities provide real-time data on equipment performance, environmental condition, and energy usage. We are very active in that space with our product brands like, you may have heard, Rosemount, Micromotion, and Fisher Instrumentation.
Of course. Mm-hmm.
So that's one piece of it. Another piece is the advanced analytics and artificial intelligence, which enables predictive maintenance and process optimization that helps operators identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. Those algorithms can optimize liquefaction processes, enhance energy efficiency, and optimize supply chain logistics, ultimately reducing costs and environmental impact. That's what all of us care about. However, the last thing that I want to mention, and it's the most important part, is the collaborative platform. For now, every department has a specific technology stack and data models. So information is rarely shared between departments. You can imagine how complex that is, right? Mm-hmm. So for that reason, Emerson introduced a vision for boundless automation, where flexible computing domains seamlessly can interact and exchange. Intelligent field, edge computing, and the cloud combine to form a secure, flexible software platform. This seamless data highway allows software applications to run directly into smart field devices, advanced edge computing, and the cloud. This is the future of automation. By leveraging these advanced technologies, you can optimize across departments and during the full cycle of the facility. Wouldn't that be super cool, Mike?
That would be super cool. So as the LNG industry looks to do those things, what are some of the main challenges when they're adopting digitalization?
Yeah, previously I mentioned challenges such as data security and workforce readiness. Those are very important considerations to adopt digitalization. However, another big challenge is the complex and legacy infrastructure systems that's not originally designed with digitalization in mind. Integrating digital technologies into these existing systems can be challenging and may require significant retrofitting and investment. Industry leaders are looking for trusted partners that continuously innovate to help them meet the next big challenge. We are working hard to be that partner for our customer.
Thank you so much, Sue, for joining us today. And thank you to Emerson. And thank you for sharing your expertise. We really appreciate it. For our audience, please do check out the Emerson Sustainability Report. That's a great piece of reference for you and provides a lot of information about the industry. Really interesting stuff. We read it every year. We definitely do. Sue, thanks again for joining us on the Exploring Gas Processing and LNG Technology podcast. We appreciate you.
Thank you, Mike. And I hope that the next time we are at a show together, we'll get to be able to meet face to face. But I really appreciate being here with you today, and Thank you very much.
I hope so too, and we'll see you soon, I think.
Yeah, perfect.
Thanks for listening to this week's show. Don't forget to subscribe and share to stay connected with the world of gas processing and LNG technology.